We have an insatiable urge to express ourselves and all of our opinions and our knowledge and our talents and our desires. We really want to get it out. And every time we do, we come up against something that doesn't want us to do that. This is the limitation of life. In this physical place called the earth, we're constrained to be held. And there's not much we can do about changing that fact. So what we have to do when we can't change the outer world is to change the inner world. So to come to terms with the fact that we're in a limitation, we're in a limited physical body, and to come to terms with that. So without coming to terms with that, we can't be happy. So how do we come to terms with that? And the answer really is to do with the understanding that we need something to give us form, or we can't understand who and what we are. Unless we are constrained, we just don't define ourselves. It takes constraint to define anything.